Let's discuss exercise 3D question number 1 part A. We want to find the partial sum of 8 terms. So basically we need to find S8. So N is 8 and A is 1 and R is 4 divided by 2, that is 2. So Sn equal A um, Rn minus 1 over R minus 1. So A value is 1, R is 2, and N is 8 minus 1 over 2 minus 1. So this is going to be 2 to the power 8 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So, and this is 256 minus 1, 255. You can work with the other formula as well, it doesn't matter, but 1 n minus 1 minus r. So then S8 is 1 times 1 minus 2 to the power 8. So divide 1 minus 2. Then this is 1 minus 2 to the power 8 and divide by minus 1. So this is this minus 255 over minus 1. That is 255. But if usually r greater than 1, we use this equation. Part B, 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus and we want to find the S10. N equal 10, A equal 32, and R equal 16 divided by 32, that is half, and Sn equal A times 1 minus R n over 1 minus R. I use the other equation, and A value is 32 minus 1 minus half a times to the power 10 over 1 minus half. 32 1 minus to the power 10, and when you take half from 1 remain half, so these two go up, so 64 1 minus half 10. When you simplify, you will get the answer approximately 60.93. Part C, we need to find the addition of those terms. How many terms are there? This is first term, second term, third term. I can see that when I look at on the numerator patterns, 2, 4, 8, 16, um, 64, 120 is 256. It means n should be 28. 8, 2, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256. I trace the numerator. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So n value is 8. And E value is 2 over 3. And R value is 4 divided by 15 over 2 divided by 3. That is 2 over 5. S n equal A times 1 minus R n over 1 minus R. S8 equal A 2 over 3 1 minus R is 2 over 5. N mean 8 over 1 minus 2 over 5. So this is going to be 2 over 3. This is 5 over 5 minus 2, 3 over 5. So then 2 over 3, 2 over 3, 1 minus 2 to the power 5 to the power 8. This is going to be 3 over 5. So 3 to 3 cancel out. Then it's going to be 2 over 3 times, 3 over 5 times 1 over, it's not the cancellation actually. So this is 10 over 9, 1, 2 to the power 5 over 8. So 2 to the 2 over 3 divided by 3 over 5. So 2 over 3 multiplied by 5 over 3. So the approximate value 1.109, which is 1.110. Part D, A equal 4, R equal minus 12 divided by 4, that is minus 3, and we need S8, 8 terms, that is n equal 8, Sn equal A Rn minus 1 over minus 1. So A equal 4, that is minus 3 to the power 8 minus 1 over minus 3 minus 1 minus 3, so this is minus 4 over minus 4, 4 to 4 cancel out, so minus 3 to the power 8, sorry, this is 6 terms we need, minus 1, so I'll expand by minus 1, so this is uh, minus 3 to the power 6, this is going to be plus 1, this is 6, um, because of that this value is positive, and because of this minus, the bigger value is going to be negative, plus 1 is still a negative value. When you work out, you will get minus 7 to 8. Part A, I will do this one a bit differently. I don't know this term 1, 2, 3. I will take this term as M. We work out in our previous discussion 3.4 SM S10. If we want, we can write T11 minus T1 over R minus 1. So this is the formula I am going to use. If this is 10, this is 11. So if this is M, so then T1 more Tm plus 1, uh, Tm plus 1 minus T1, that is the first term, and R minus 1. So T1 equal first term, that is 7 to 9, and Tm plus 1, we know Tm, m plus 1, so we need the next term. What is the R? R is minus 243 divided by 729, that is going to be minus 1 over third. So minus 1 over third multiplied by minus 1 over third, that is going to be 1 over 9. So this is m plus 1. Now we know that term. So Tm plus 1 is 1 over 9 minus T1 is 729 over R is minus 1 over 3 minus 1. So 1 minus 729 times 9 over this is minus 4 over 3, and this one divide by 9. So basically 1 minus 729 times 9 over 9, this is negative as well, times 4 over 3. So when you simplify this one, you will get 546.66. You can have a different approach as well. Now this is minus 1 over 3 and minus 1 over 3. For this direction, R is for this direction, R value is 1 over minus 1 over third. Then for this direction, it is R is minus 3. And so minus 1 over 3 multiplied by minus 3, that is going to be 1. Uh, minus 1 over third multiplied by minus 3, 1. 1 multiplied by minus 3, minus 3, then plus 9. 9 times minus 3 minus 27, minus 27 times minus 3 plus 81, and then minus 243, and 729. 729, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So basically n equal 8, so you can take that way as well, and then you can work out, or you can do another approach. You can take another approach, that is the first term, second term, and this is the nth term. So Tn equal minus 1 over third. Nth term we can write Arn minus 1 is minus 1 over third. A is, we know that minus 1 over third, sorry, 729. 729. R is minus 1 over third. In minus 1 is minus 1 over third. So then minus 1 over third in minus 9 minus, this is 3 times 729 cross multiply. So minus 1 over third in minus 1 is minus 1 over 2187. Now if we plan to I can't put the logarithms here because this is negative. So if you plan to find the logarithms, so we have to give argument. We can see when you look at this one, positive, odd numbers are positives and even numbers are negative. So odd are positive, even negative. So then this is a negative one. So this is a n is a even. Then n minus 1 is odd. When you take one out of from even number, it is become odd number. So then n minus is odd. When you multiply by minus 1 times minus, if it is even, this is positive. If it is odd number like this one, it is negative. So because of that, this value negative become negative. So I can take this negative out, 1 over n minus 1, and this negative 2187. So now negative to negative cancel out, and then 1 over third n minus 1 equal 1 over 2187, and then from the logarithms you can find. So it's going to be n minus 1 log 1 third equal log 1 over 2187, then n minus 1 equal log 1 over 2187 divided by log 1 over third. We know that n minus 1 should be 7. That's after that n equal 7 plus 1, 8. So, or when we come to here in this case, there's a simple way of for this one from here. From here, you can write minus 1 over third n minus 1 is minus 1 over third 7. This value you can write uh, equal minus 3 to the power 7, and this is equal minus 1 over 3 to the power 7, because this, since this is odd number, this will generate a negative value. So then it's fine. And from here, when you have a equal b and a equal c, what you can, a to the power b equal a to the power c, you can write b equal c. The same way, n minus 1 equal 7. So n equal 8. Now we can do S8, Sn equal a 1 minus r n over 1 minus r. A value is 729, and 1 minus r is minus 1 third over 8, and this is going to be 1 minus 1 over third. So this value you should get as 546.66. Part F uh, is 2 term minus 5 over 2 plus 5 over 4. Um, is 2 minus 5 over 2 plus 5 over 4. The same thing, this is the, we have to add to get the answer. 4 is 2. I can, before that, if I want, I can take 5 out. I factorize, so this is minus half, and this is 1 over 4. So then this is going to be 5 times minus 1 over 4. This is half, and when you take 1 over 4 out from half, remaining is quarter. So minus quarter, and this is minus 5 over 4. So the same way, if you want, you can take 5 out from this 5 out from this series. 3, 2, 7, 6, 8, and you can work out, and then finally you can multiply by 5 the final answer. That is also possible. So I'm going to use the short method. 3, 2, 7, 6, 8. Let's say this is m, so I need Sm. Sm means t m plus 1 minus t1 over r minus 1. So this is going to be t m plus 1. I need this term. So this term, negative, positive, negative, positive. Somehow this is negative. The other one should be positive 5. And I have to double this one. 2, 4, 8. so it's doubling. So 32, let me work out. So this is 65 536. So then Tm plus 1 is 5 over 65 536 minus T1 is minus 5 over 2 over R minus 1. R is um, 5 over 4 divided by minus 5 over 4. That is going to be minus half. So then minus half minus 1. So actually I can take factorize 5 out. So 1 over 6 5 5 3 6 plus half over this is minus 3 over 2. So when you simplify this one, you should get minus 1.6666, basically approximately 1.67.